It's April here, and today I'm very excited to talk about the Cuisinart DGB-900BC Grind and Brew Thermal Automatic Coffee Maker. I really do believe that this coffee maker is one of the best in the market because I've had mine for the past 3 years and it hasn't failed me once, so I'm sure you will love this, especially if you're a coffee lover like me. As always, the product link will be posted in the description below so you can check for the pricing and availability. If you're a picky coffee drinker like me, you will always be able to taste and tell the difference between a freshly brewed cup of coffee versus an instant coffee or a pod coffee. And a lot of times when you really want a great cup of coffee, it seems like the only option is to get it from a coffee shop, yet this option can be expensive and time-consuming. I mean, imagine always having to be in queue at the drive-thru, right? Preparing your own good cup of coffee at home is a more logical choice. However, the tricky part is that not all coffee makers are created equal, and finding a good and efficient one that could deliver results is sometimes challenging. This is where the Cuisinart Coffee Maker shines because it grinds fresh coffee beans each time, so you're only left with the great tasting coffee that can rival your favorite cafe. Its built-in automatic Burg grinder, you can fill it with up to half a pound of your favorite coffee beans. It has a strength selector and grind control that lets you choose and fine-tune your coffee's intensity and volume. You can choose from mild to strong brew, and the grind control lets you choose the amount of coffee that you want from 2 to 12 cups. This coffee maker has the capacity to make 12 cups of delicious coffee right at the comfort of your own home. The 24-hour programmable feature is also very convenient because with this, you can preset the time that you want the coffee maker to start grinding and brewing. So let's say you want your coffee ready at 5 in the morning when you get up. So all you have to do is preset the time in the evening and your coffee will be ready in the morning for you. If you're in a hurry or simply want to use pre-ground coffee beans, you can also do that using this machine with its grind off feature. With this feature, all you have to do is load your ground coffee beans in its inside basket, press grind off, put some water in, and you're golden. Another outstanding feature of this coffee machine is its auto shut off feature, which means it automatically shuts off after brewing is complete, so you don't have to worry about unplugging it or an overheating coffee machine. Safety first. It also has a brew pause function which lets you enjoy your cup even before the entire brewing is complete. This awesome machine comes with a 12-cup double wall insulated carafe that will keep your coffee warm for hours. It also has a cold tone commercial style filter and charcoal filters to remove impurities, leaving you with nothing but the best tasting freshly brewed cup of joe right at the comfort of your own home. So, if you're looking for a great coffee maker to add in your kitchen, the Cuisinart DGB-900BC Automatic Burg Grind and Brew Coffee Maker is one of the best choices out there. As I've said, I've been using mine for more than 3 years now and it's still working perfectly, so it's really worth the investment. Again, thank you so much guys for joining me today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and we will answer. As well as a reminder, I will be posting the product linked in the description below so you'll be able to check for its pricing and availability. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I hope to see you again next time.